In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blueprint in Wrike. Creating blueprints in Wrike is a powerful way to streamline your project management process, allowing you to build templates for repeatable tasks and projects. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're managing complex projects that require consistency and efficiency. Let's dive in and walk through this step by step so that you can harness the power of blueprints in your own work. First, let's start by heading over to your Wrike dashboard. You'll want to make sure you're logged in to access all the necessary features. Once you're on the dashboard, your first move is to locate the search bar. This is your gateway to finding various tools and features within Wrike. Click on the search bar to activate it, opening a world of possibilities for customization and efficiency. Next, in the search bar, type the word blueprint. This action will filter the results and bring relevant options to your fingertips. As you see the search results populate the screen, you'll want to look specifically for the item labeled blueprints. Go ahead and click on blueprints from the list of search results. This will take you directly to the section where you can manage and create your blueprints. Now that you're in the blueprints section, you'll see a list view showcasing any existing blueprints. If you're new to this, the list might be empty, but not for long. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this space. You'll notice that it's laid out very similarly to your regular task and project view, which makes it easy to navigate and use without any steep learning curve. From here, the next step you'll want to take is to create a new blueprint. You can usually do this by looking for an option such as Create New Blueprint or something similar in this section. While this script won't divulge new steps, know that creating new blueprints involves setting up tasks and projects just like you would in a normal workflow. This includes assigning responsible parties, setting deadlines, and, importantly, leaving room for adaptation and customization, which is one of Wrike's strong suits. Remember, the beauty of having blueprints in Wrike is not just about the initial setup, but also about how it enables rapid replication of your most efficient processes. These templates become the backbone of consistency across projects, ensuring your team can jump into action immediately with minimal preparation time. By keeping your blueprints organized and regularly updated to reflect any changes in your workflow, you maximize their effectiveness and keep your projects running smoothly. And there you have it, your guide to creating blueprints in Wrike. I hope you find this tool as transformative for improving productivity and project consistency as many others have. Happy blueprinting, and thanks for watching.